truck, we have the unripe one over here. These are the ripe ones over there. The ripe one has to be processed immediately. Okay? In preparation for serious production process today. Getting set, getting ready. Ladies and gentlemen, watch out how we would successfully convert these raw materials, this raw plantain, into finished goods in less than 3 hours. Watch it out. Follow up. Just checking whether the oil is hot enough. This is what we do, okay?